In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Todoist task uncompletable with a simple prefix. Let's get started by opening Todoist, either in your web browser or the desktop or mobile app. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the left sidebar where your projects live. Navigate to the project where you want to apply this change. This works great for creating headers, separators, or informational lines inside a project that you don't want to accidentally check off. Once you're in the right project, pick the specific task you want to change. Click directly on its name to start editing the title. Here's the key. Add an asterisk, then a single space at the very beginning of the task name. That's star followed by space before any other characters. As soon as you do this and confirm the edit by pressing enter or clicking away, you'll notice the completion icon disappears. In other words, the task becomes uncompletable. That visual change is your confirmation that it worked. Why does this help? Sometimes you want a line that acts like a label, maybe a section header such as today's focus, or a note like resources and links, without the risk of it being marked done. Using the star and space at the start turns that item into a non-actionable line, keeping your project tidy and preventing accidental completion. A few practical tips to make this smooth. First, the star must be at the very beginning, followed immediately by a space. If you put the star in the middle of the name or skip the space, you won't see the change. Second, keep the rest of the text descriptive so it's clear why the line exists, especially if you're collaborating with others. Third, this approach is reversible. If you ever need to make it completable again, just edit the name and remove the star and space. The completion icon will reappear and it'll behave like a normal task again. This technique is lightweight, fast, and doesn't require any special settings or filters. It's especially handy when you want quick structure inside a project without creating separate sections. You can repeat this for as many items as you like to build simple headings or dividers that stay put. And that's it. Open Todoist, go to your project, edit the task name, add a star and a space at the front, and you're done. You now have a clean, uncompletable line that helps organize your workflow with zero friction.